So, in this lesson, let's get an easy introduction to lines, line segment, rays, vertex, and angles. Well, let's get right into it then. In math, the concept of a line isn't just whatever we draw with a pencil. Instead, a line is defined being a straight, with no curves and never ending on either sides. However, if the line is never ending but instead had two specific endpoints, like so, then we will not call this a line anymore. Instead, we will call this a line segment. Now, I want to stress that a line segment is similar to a line, only that both sides of a line has endpoints. However, if only one side had an endpoint and the other extended to infinity, we would call that a ray instead. Now, lines, rays, or line segments can come together to form something called a vertex. In this case, as we can see, we've got two rays that come together at this point, or shall I say, the vertex. When two lines meet at a point or vertex, an angle is formed. We're going to discuss different kinds of angles. First is the right angle. It is an internal angle, measures exactly 90 degrees. The little square box tells you that this angle is a right angle. Second is acute angle. Is any angle smaller than a right angle? So it measures less than 90 degrees and it looks like this. Lastly is the obtuse angle, an angle which is larger than 90 degrees. We can spot it because it extends past what it be a right angle. It is pushing beyond 90 degrees. Now, let's try to identify the following figures.
What figure is this? It is a line. Now what figure is this? A ray. Now what angle is formed when the measure is greater than 90 degrees? An obtuse angle. Now what figure is this? Its measure is exactly 90 degrees. A right angle. How about this one? It is an acute angle. Good job! You've reached the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening.